नमस्ते बच्चों, आज हम हिंदी का नया पाठ पढ़ेंगे। इस पाठ का नाम है ता वर्ग, पाठ 6। So today we are going to start a new chapter. The chapter name is ता वर्ग, chapter number 6. In the last class we learned 5 Vyanjan letters. I hope you all practiced it in your notebook. So those 5 Vyanjan letters were ta, tha, da, dha, na. I hope you all have your textbook, notebook, pencil and eraser with you. So before starting this chapter, let's do a small worksheet. So you have to write these Vyanjan letters in your notebook. So the first Vyanjan letter is already given and we pronounce ta. I hope you all have written it. Now there's a blank here. So you have to write the next Vyanjan letter. So ta, then comes tha. So you have to write it along with me. Then the next Vyanjan letter is already given and we pronounce da. Ta, tha, da. Next one is dha. So you can hear a small H sound. Once again, ta, tha, da, dha. Then is na. So I hope you all have written it. Now let's start this chapter from page number 34. So you can see here the next Vyanjan letter is ta. Ta se tarboos. Ta se tarboos. Now let's see how to write this Vyanjan letter. So you have to keep your pencil here. You have to go up and a sleeping line, standing line and on the top sleeping line. So once again I'll show you. You have to write it along with me. Go up, sleeping line and then standing line and on the top sleeping line. So we pronounce this Vyanjan letter as ta. Now let's see few words. Ta se tarboos. You have to repeat it along with me. Ta se tarboos. Tarboos means watermelon. Next word is takiya. Takiya. Takiya means pillow. Next one is tabla. Tabla. So you can see these all words start with ta Vyanjan letter. Ta. Tabla. Tabla means drum. The last one is tana. Tana means stem. Now let's see the next Vyanjan letter. It's tha. Before it was ta. Now it is tha. Now let's see how to write this. First you have to draw a small circle. Turn like this and a smiley curve, standing line and on the top sleeping line. So you might have noticed one thing, that this sleeping line is not touching the upper part of tha. It's a small sleeping line. So you can see here, it's a small sleeping line. Once again I'll show you. A small circle, turn like this and a smiley curve, straight line and on the top sleeping line. We say tha. Now let's see few words. Tha se thermos. Thermos. Thermos means thermos. Next one is than. Than. That means ada. Next one is thali. Thali. Plate. The last one is thela. Thela. So here we are using tha Vyanjan letter. Tha. Now let's see the next one. Da. We'll see how to write it. First short standing line. Then you have to write C letter and then you have to bring this down. On the top, sleeping line. It's very simple. I'll show you once again. Standing line, then C, and you have to bring it down. On the top, sleeping line. I hope you all have written it in your notebook. Now let's see few words. Da se darpan. Darpan. Darpan means mirror. Darwaza. Darwaza. Door. Dawai. Dawai. Medicine. Dant. Dant. Teeth. Now we'll see the next Vyanjan letter. It is dha. A small H sound. Dha. Before it was da. Now it is dha. We'll see how to write it. Small circle, and then you have to write inverted 3, then a standing line and a small sleeping line. So here also you can see this sleeping line is not touching the upper part. Once again I'll show you. You have to write it along with me in your notebook. Inverted 3, standing line, and on the top sleeping line. We pronounce dha. Now let's see few words. Dha se dhan. Dhan means money. Dhanush. Dhanush means bow. Dhaniya. Dhaniya means coriander. Dhaga. Dhaga means thread. Now let's see the next Vyanjan letter, and we pronounce na. We'll see how to write it. First, you have to bring it down and then up, and a sleeping line, standing line, and on the top sleeping line. We pronounce na. Once again, we'll go up, sleeping line, standing line, and sleeping line. We pronounce na. Let's see few words. Na se nal. Na se nal. Nal means tap. Next one, namak. Namak, that is salt. Naak. Naak means nose. Nav. Nav means boat. Okay. I hope these Vyanjan letters are clear for you. Now there's an activity for you. You have to read these 5 Vyanjan letters, record it and submit in Microsoft Teams. आज के लिए बस इतना ही. अब हम अगली क्लास में मिलेंगे. धन्यवाद.